Hello students, welcome back to your next English class. Class 9, this is your Nupur ma'am and welcome back to your next English grammar session. This is the grammar was going on and this was your last day homework I have given you. It's the last day practice work. Omission, I hope you remember and you understood what is omission. Before it I have already given you the error correction, right? So and now it is going the omission. I hope you can see the page. I have managed the answer by myself, so check it out. If you have already done it in your copy, then check it out. But students, please send it to the comment box. If you can't send in YouTube channel, so you can send it in a WhatsApp app also. Okay, this practice work is giving just for your help. You can understand it properly and you can practice it properly. Whenever your school will be open on that moment, you have to give exams and all, and in your exam paper you will get this kind of grammar. Okay, so please students, it is a request to you, it is a humble request to you, please do this homework, please practice this and send it. I hope you are practicing and yes, I got some feedbacks. Those are very good feedback. Some students told, ma'am, we are very thankful to you that it is a help. It helps us to correct ourselves. So very good, very good. It is a my pleasure. Okay, that you can understand it. But I have to know that how much you will understand. Okay, I have to know also. Otherwise, I can't understand that really you are understanding and really you are doing. So please send the homeworks in comment box. Please send the practice work in comment box. Okay, so see, this is a question with the following passage. One word has been omitted in each line. Write the missing word along the word that comes before and word that comes after it in the space provided against correct line number. Right, so this working very beneficial to us. So working very, I have already underlined you what I told. You have to underline the missing place. Whenever you think that maybe there is a missing word, you have underlined, and then you have to manage this kind of thing. Before missing word, after means before word, after word, and you have to write the missing word. Okay, working, this is my own opinion, working is very beneficial to us. See, the missing word is. Next, we should get up early the morning or early in the morning, right? See, whenever you are getting any omission, there must be mistake in tense also, in article also, in prepositions also. There are lots of works. Okay, so please do this, you can understand very well. So we should get up early in the morning and go for a work. Those are used to for morning works, comma, will find it impossible to remain bed in the morning. You can see there is a complex sentence, right? There is a complex sentence. So here those are means here is a line and another is a line. So means those are used to go used to for morning works means we'll find it. Here should be any other subject, not only subject but relative pronoun also, right? So those, I hope here should be some mistake. Those who are, I have written those who are used to, those who are used to going for morning walks. Those are those who are going. I hope this should be here. Used to is a single word. Used to means you can understand why it is used. So these who are used to going for morning walks will find it impossible to remain bed or remain in bed. This is my own opinion, students. You can give your own opinion also. Okay, there also may be possibility that I am mistaking anything. So you should understand. You should do it. Okay, you can do this. There is no problem. This is my own opinion. I am not telling these are the correct answer. This is my opinion. Now you have to give your own opinion. Okay. So impossible, remain in bed in the morning. For them it is not so much. Here should be any auxiliary verb, right? Eat not or it is not. I have written before word, then missing word, then after word. For them it is not so much an exercise but a pleasure. But a pleasure. See, but a pleasure. I hope you can understand. Right. This was your last day practice work, and this was also I was discussing, and already I have mentioned by a pencil, and this was on class work time. I was telling the examples, and this was your practice work homework. So today I have added some more practice work. The question should be same. That like the following passage, one word has been omitted in each line. Write the missing word along the word that comes before and word comes after it in the space provided against correct line number. The question should be same. Okay. Question pattern should be same, and this is the paragraph I have given, and I have arranged the place where you have to write the answer. And see, this is the last line. This is nothing. Okay, this is nothing. See, now I am starting to read the paragraph. The tiny island of Rameswaram, I hope you can see, South India. Rameswaram in south is one of the Tour Dhams according to legend. It was from here that Lord Rama, with help of Hanuman and Sugriv and his monkey, force built a stone bridge, Lanka, just 24 kilometers. Main attraction of the island is the Ramanatha Swami temple. Is a magnificent example of, this is DAN, Dravidian art. Okay, magnificent example of Dravidian art. So this is the paragraph, and you can see there. I told already, not only you get some verbs missing, you can get article missing, you can get prepositions missing, you can get pronoun missing. Okay, relative pronoun that is missing. So here already I have mentioned by pencil. It is helpful for you. See, I hope you can see the video. The tiny island of Rameswaram, South India, Rameswaram in south, is one of the Tour Dhams according to legend or according to a legend. I hope according to a legend. There should be an article. I have mentioned the place. I already told you have to underline the place where you think it is there must be some missing word. Okay. Then you have to write before word here, after word here, and the missing word here, right? See, it was from here that Lord Rama, with help or with the help, B, here you have to write. Okay, this line is full for B. Here you have to write before word, missing word, after word. Okay, with the help of Hanuman and Sugriv and his monkey, force built a stone bridge, Lanka. Force build a stone bridge to what? To Lanka. There should be an preposition. There should be a preposition. Bridge, this, see, I have already underlined. I hope there should be a preposition and to should be there. I hope. This is my own opinion. You can write down your own opinion. There is no problem. Okay, without hesitation you can give the answer. If there will be any mistake, I will be there for that. Okay. So for build a stone bridge to Lanka, just 24 kilometers. Here In D you have to write here, and C you have to write here. In this line you can see the mistake in C, you have to write here, and in this line you have to read two of these lines. 24 kilometers main attraction. Okay, there you can see main attraction of the island. Of the island, here is nothing is missing. So where is missing? 24 kilometers. After that should be something. 24 kilometers away, main attraction. Away should be there. I think. Okay. For built a stone bridge to Lanka just 24 kilometers away, and you should write the D here. Before word should be, if it would be away, the before word is kilometers and afterward is main. If you think no, there should not be away, there should some other answer, there also you have to find where is the missing place. You have to underline and you have to write before word and afterward. Okay, you have to underline before word and afterward. See, if each and every time I have underlined this kind of like. Okay, next. Main attraction of the island is the Ramanatha Swami temple, is a magnificent example of Dravidian art. So temple which is a, I hope there should be a relative pronoun, okay, which joins two lines, which joins two sentences. So here you have to write, and this is nothing, I already told, this is nothing. So here it is the pattern of answer, how you will do it. So you can pause the video and you can write down the paragraphs, you can write down the lines in your copy and you can do it. But please, class 9 students, please send it. Okay, I hope you are doing it, you are practicing it all, but please send it to me, otherwise I can't understand that how much you understand. Okay, I have to know your capability and I have to know that how much I am giving you. Okay, if there will be any problem to understand, definitely you can ask me in comment box, and there you will you get my phone number, so you can ask me in that also. You can, if you see there will be any problem, if there will be any doubt, you can ask me in phone calls also. Okay, so this was your this is your omission work, this is also your omission work. And next I have added some more thing. This is, you can see the rearranging. Now you can see the whole page, I hope. Look at the words and phrases below, rearrange them to make a meaningful sentence. Last, before one day, I already have given you this kind of practice. Again I am selecting some practice work for you. This is also you will get in your exam, right? And already I told you how you will do this all. You have to, I hope you can see the video. See, you have to count down the words first. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 yes 8 words are there. I am taking this a group of words in one. Okay, so, and after that do it. One is done for you, I have already done for you. What I have done, see, I have written the numbers above the words. It will help you. Okay, you don't miss any word to write down. Okay, whenever you are giving answer, count down the words. If there is 8 words, so answer should be a form of 8 words. So you count down the words and definitely you can see there is no mistake. Okay, so, and the king named Agandas talented sculptor Pygmalion was of Cyprus, of a village. Okay, so you can understand, first should be a name, first should be the subject. So Pygmalion, first one I have written, was I have written, the king I have written, Pygmalion was the king of Cyprus, see, number 4, and a very talented sculptor, and a very, number 5, talented sculptor, number 6, of a village, number 7, named Akandar. See, right? You can see there are 8 words. Already I have mentioned 8 words. You can count down also, right? Similar in the second sentence. See, I have already count down and I have already put the numbers. Now you have to do it. I hope you can do it. It will help you. See, had finished, he smiled when he, the ivory statue of a beautiful woman one day. You can understand there. You should think about the subject. What should be there? You can use one day by first. I have already mentioned. Maybe it should be. Now it is your own opinion. Every time I am telling you, you are free to give your own opinion. Okay, it's not mean that I am right and you must be wrong. No, not like that. You can also give your opinion. You can give also your own answer. One day, number 1. Now first count how many words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words are there. So whenever you are making answer, there should be 6 words. There you can't give 5 words, right? See, one day. Number 2, he smiled. Number 3, one day he smiled, and number 3 should be here. One day he smiled when he had finished. When he, number 3, had finished. Number 4, the ivory statue. Number 5, of a beautiful woman. Number 6. Complete. You have to find the subject first, then the verb, then the object. I hope you know how you make a sentence. You know the structure, right? Next, smile at having found it was the innocent, new and unique of a child something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 words. 7 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 7 words should be there. So if you have to find the subject first, and definitely remember, whenever you are starting a sentence, you have to start the beginning letter with capital and you have to put a full stop at the ending of the sentence. Okay, right? So here also you can find it should be 1 number, first number. It was the innocent. Number 2, it was the innocent what? Smile of a child at having found something new and unique. Okay, it is my own opinion. Please do this all. Please, okay. And there are some more sentences, only 2 more sentences. This is nothing. See, here already I have mentioned. See, by the statue that to worship it, he was falling down. He felt like so impressed on his knees of the statue. You have to count down the words and you have to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He felt like. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. There should be 9 words but sorry, it was my mistake. I counted it like 10 words, but it's okay. You can give like this. You can give like this. You can understand it. Okay. So you have to find number 1. There you can see 10 words. Okay. So you have to find the first number. Already I have made it. Is my own opinion. You have to do it. I don't tell you the word, the answer. Next, that he, a masterpiece, and called, he realized this beauty had created an Galati. Okay, this is a name. So please do this all, and you can pause your video and you can take a picture of it. Okay, or you can write down in your copy also, but please do this. And this is also okay, and omission also. So this is your homework, this is your practice work. Do this all, and pause your video and take a picture of this. Next this space, pause your video and take a picture. Similarly here you have to do similarly same thing. Do this all and send it to me. If you can't understand any writing, any spelling, definitely ask me. I will give you the answer, I will give you the reply. Okay, so thank you so much, and keep watching my video. Till then, thank you again and welcome, and wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye.